Fish pose. Begin on the back with your knees bent and the feet planted beneath the knees. Place your feet hips distance apart and parallel, with the knees also hip distance apart. Press down into the feet, lift the hips, and place the hands on the floor, palms down, with the thumbs touching. Then lower the buttocks onto your hands. 1 foot at a time, slide the feet forward so that the legs are straight, big toes touch. Pull up on the kneecaps to engage your legs and point your toes. Tuck the outer shoulders under, pinning the elbows into the midline. Inhale, raise the lower back, shoulders, and back of the head from the floor, lifting the sternum towards the ceiling. As you exhale, drop the head back to place the crown of the head on the floor behind you. Engage the upper back muscles to open and support the chest from behind. Prioritize the lift of the chest so that the curve of the neck is a continuation of the curve of the upper back. Continue to press down firmly with the palms and the elbows so that the weight in the head is light. Hold it here for 5 cycles of breath, expanding the heart and the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To come out, lead with the chest. To raise the head, release the head back to the floor. Bend your knees, bringing the soles of your feet to the floor. Lift your hips to move your arms out to the side.